Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will see the simple calculator for function calculator. So how to build that, we will see different ways to build. Okay, so let's start. This is the code which I have written already, and we will run this code now. Let's run. Okay, so this is a split. We have to give the space in every number, 5 space operator 4. So see, it's ready, it's giving answer. I will show you from scratch. Let's start. Okay, so we will open new file sorry new file. Okay, we will give the name KM333. Okay, let's start. Num1 operator, num2, and we will get the input values. We will use the input function, enter, calculation. Okay, and we will use the split function to uh, split this number 1 operator num2. So we can use another way also. I will show you. Num1 equal to input uh, enter number 1, and then we can put operator input enter operator, and then num2 and input enter number 2. Okay, so by default these are the uh, this num1 and num2 are the strings, so we will make it float, and we can make it integer also, but in integer we won't get the point value. In float we get the point value, so we will use the float. So first we will make it this one in background, because this is the optional. Okay, so let's start. Num1, it's case sensitive, so we have to make sure uh, we type properly. uh, num1 to float num1, and similarly for num2 we make it num2 float num2. Okay, so now let's start the code. If else we will use for calculating. If operator, first we will define the operator, this for addition and multiplication. We can, this is optional, defining. We can use without defining also, but to show you I will use the defining function. So let's start using define function of addition. Define, uh, in addition function, addition num1 num2, then okay, we will return this value with num1 plus num2. Similarly we use using for multiplication define multiplication num1 num2 return num1 product num2. Okay, now we will use the if operator equal to, double equal to sign we have to put for the equal to. Suppose it's a plus, then we will print, we will use the format function here. So uh, bracket plus bracket equal to bracket format dot format num1 num2. As we have already defined addition, so we will use define one. We can use direct also, but as we have already defined, so define num1 num2. Okay, so now we will use else elif, because in Python we use elif, not else if. Elif, suppose it's not plus and its operator is, suppose it's minus, then what we will do? If it's minus, then here we forget to put then. Okay, here also we forget to put then. Okay, here's some mistake. Yeah, double equal to. Okay, now it's proper. Print. We will use direct, not the format function here. So direct num1 minus num2 equal to direct, as we mentioned, without defining the minus subtraction, minus num2. So this way also you can use the, this way also you can use the addition, as well as with format function also you can use, and by defining also you can use. So and now we, if suppose it's not subtraction, then operator is multiplication, then equal to product, suppose, then print. Here we will use direct num1 product num2 equal to, we use define function as we already defined, my num1 num2. Now if its operator is division, then if it's division, then what we will do? Then print, it should be, we use format function here. So for format bracket plus bracket equal to bracket, and we use format num1 num2. Here we use direct division, we not use define function, because we haven't defined the division here, so we use direct. So num1 divided by num2. Okay, and here one more bracket because okay, now it's proper. Okay, suppose it's not any of the operator, then else, then print please use plus minus product or division. Okay, so guys, this is the code. Now we will run this code, how it works. So run, it's kilometer 33. Okay, I'll enter calculation. So we will enter 3 plus 4. So it gives. Now we will run with the second code, second option. So we will put it this one in background and we will use this one. See how it goes. Run, enter number 5, enter operator, enter number 4. It was a 20, so it gives 20, so it works properly. So guys, this is multiple ways you can make the calculator. As I have shown, you can you have to use the float, and you can use direct split method, or you can directly use direct split and give directly, and you can use format function, and you can use definition function, or directly you can define the function without defining here. So see you guys in another project, and please mention which project you guys want to make me, and see you guys in another video. Thanks, bye.